That like can last for 10 years. My phone, like, I don't think so because mine is 15 years. I guess it depends.
Yeah, that's an average.
Okay.
You know, that's an average. It depends on your house water pressure.
Okay.
It depends on the kind of water you have, like the mineral content of the water. No, it looks clean. It looks good. I mean,
right.
except for
except that right?
yeah, except for
Yeah.
you got some leaking going on.
Really?
You know, it's probably dripping a little bit.
Okay. That's a good idea to replace that, right?
Yeah, so see it's wet?
Yeah.
Like I reach back here. I think I have some in my truck
Okay.
if you want to replace this.
Okay.
But I gotta charge a little more.
That's
know?
not good.
Yeah, I gotta charge for my time and my materials.
I respect that, yeah.
Yeah. So, but we can change that.
Okay.
So we can take care of the supply line and then, so what's going on with the water heater? It's just shutting off
Yeah.
on you?
Yeah. You just
Okay.
what that do.
Okay, so you got the gas on?
Yeah, turn it off. You're saying like the gas up there it will go off for whatever reason.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it happens. It's probably the valve,
Okay.
but it could be something else.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hard to.
Hopefully you can take care of it for us.
Yeah, I got valves and burner assemblies and stuff with me, so.
I've been boiling water. That shit is not fun.
There we go. Okay, so the pilot light is lit.
That's good news, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
So was it off when you called SCG&E?
So I called. They came here twice. They came. They did something. It came on. The water was hot. 2-3 days. It went back off.
Okay, so it's lasting about 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, and then it goes off again. And like, what the hell, you know?
Yeah. 2, 3. Okay. See this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So it's.
That's good or bad?
It's saying it's a gas valve, so it's flashing 7 times. It says the gas or control valve failure.
Okay.
What we'll do is shut it off.
So the valve is something you can replace, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
They're like, go get a new. I was so bothered by that, you know. It's just like I need to maybe get a second opinion on this one.
You're like, why don't I go buy a new house?
Yeah.
You know, while I'm buying new stuff. No, I hear you. They don't know what to tell you. They don't know what to tell you. They don't know what to
Tell me to hold something, or you good? You want me to hold it?
It's alright. I got it. So this is pretty stretched out, so I'm going to put a new one on.
Okay.
A new gas line. I get extra ones, so you don't really need to worry about that.
Appreciate that.
Once you told me your water heater was bad.
Yeah.
It tests well within range. So I get 11 and I get 11.
That's good news, right?
That's good news. So it could just be your circuit board. Sometimes you just get bad circuit boards, or sometimes it is the valve. I think it's probably safer to replace the valve.
Which is it? Which is the valve? The whole thing?
This right here.
I see.
Yeah, this right here. So I think it's safer to replace the valve. Lately I've just been replacing circuit boards for people,
Really?
but then sometimes I gotta come back out again in like a month.
Okay.
And I got the same problem in my house. My water heater's doing the exact same thing and just randomly shuts off.
That's fine.
And I test the valve and the valve tests fine.
Yeah.
And then I replace the circuit board and then it's happy.
Really?
But now it's doing it again, so I don't want that to happen to you. You know?
Okay.
So we'll keep your valve here, and then I'll put a new valve in, and then I'll also get a supply line for the top.
Okay.
Alright, got the water drain in here. Still need to replace the valve. I'll replace the supply line here.
Yeah, when I was it was raining.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Enough
Yeah, that's good.
for now.
Yeah, that should be good.
Are you guys required by law to do what are you doing? It's so expensive these days.
Oh yeah. No, I don't blame you at all. I just wouldn't replace the water heater until you have to.
I see.
You know? Buys you a little more time.
Yeah. So the average, what's the average age for those? So like, how long do they last? In your experience, is it 10 to 15?
10 years is about right.
Okay.
I mean, that's an average though.
I
That's
see.
based on everyone's water heater.
Of course, I see.
Some last longer, some don't last as long.
Shorten the lifespan of this.
Yeah, they figured out a way to make water heaters that don't last as long. Yeah, so 11 and 11 on that. So,
The same.
alright.
Okay.
But I do this test, but it never really, it's almost always the same.
Okay.
People swear by it. I'm just waiting for the day when I can find one that I can confirm is bad, but
Yeah.
I never am able to do that.
So the circuit board, if say that one gives out, that's an easy fix, right?
What's
You were
that?
saying about the circuit board, you rather change this than the circuit board, right? I said you were saying if the circuit board something happens, that's easy fix.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's pretty easy. Yeah, if it's the circuit board. Yeah, it's a little bit easier. Yeah, you could come and pick one up for me if you needed one.
Really?
Yeah, I got a video on it. You watch the video,
Oh.
and you could change the circuit board pretty easily. Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What do you think of the tankless water heaters? I don't think the condominium, I don't think they allowed us here.
Yeah, they're alright, I guess. They're more expensive.
If you have the full house of your own, right? It's not like something like this.
I don't know. You'd have to talk to your HOA. I don't.
Yeah,
I
don't-
couldn't
yeah,
tell you.
I don't think they allow that here. Because I understand you have to make some changes to the plumbing and shit.
Yeah, you need more gas. You need electricity. You need bigger gas lines.
Yeah.
You need ducting that's going to run up. All has to be replaced completely up through the roof.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, so what?
You
what
can't
was it?
use that duct.
I was gonna ask you the pan, right? With regards to this, what do you think of the pan I was talking about? 'Cause
Yeah, I mean, it's an option. You have concrete here. I mean, You have to run the, so the pan,
It's not just put in the pan, right? You have to.
yeah,
I see.
you gotta plumb it to the exterior, or when it fills up with water, where does all that water go? It just overflows the pan, so
I see.
the pan just becomes a bowl at that point.
I see.
So usually in condos like this,
Yeah.
they've already pre-run all the plumbing
I see.
for you to connect a pan.
Oh really?
Yeah, but I don't. I
This-
mean, I don't
this-
see it, but there's bricks
There's one
against the
behind.
wall.
There's one behind it. I don't know. I saw something there. Do you see?
I don't see anything.
By the wall?
Yeah, that's like a pipe
that-
coming out of the wall.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know the leak, so. For now.
Yeah, I mean, one day it's gonna leak. You gotta check it periodically.
Okay. Now the ceilings. What's your recommendation for summer and winter, or it doesn't really matter?
No, I don't think it really matters. I mean, you know, we're in California.
Yeah, it's not that.
Yeah, it doesn't get that cold. There we go. The pilot light is on. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put a new circuit board on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's still coming up with that code. Oh, I'll be right back.